Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Hiboy S2 Pro, X300 Electric Scooter. I've looked through the specs, real-world feedback, and comparisons so you can get a clear, honest take on whether this scooter is worth buying or just another city ride that sounds good on paper. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Right out of the box, the Hiboy S2 Pro, X300 feels solid and thoughtfully built. It has a sleek, modern look that feels sturdy without being bulky, and the folding mechanism is smooth, something you're going to appreciate if you're carrying it on public transit or storing it in tight spaces. It's clearly designed with commuters in mind, but the performance specs mean it's useful for more than just short trips to work or school. One of the highlights here is the 500W motor. This gives the scooter enough punch to handle city streets, inclines, and everyday cruising without feeling slow or underpowered. You can feel that extra boost from the motor when you accelerate, and most users online note that it's responsive and confident even when you've got a little weight on the deck. The Hiboy S2 Pro, X300 comes with two tire options, 10-inch or 12-inch tires, and they make a big difference in ride comfort. The larger 12-inch wheels smooth out bumps and uneven pavement a lot better, giving you a more stable and controlled experience. Whether you're on cracked sidewalks, rough asphalt, or urban terrain, those tire choices help make the ride feel less jarring compared to smaller wheels. Range is another strong point. Depending on the version you choose, you're looking at roughly 25 miles on the S2 Pro or up to 38 miles on the X300 per charge. That's impressive for a commuter scooter and gives you plenty of peace of mind for daily errands, longer rides, or even weekend explorations. In real use, range depends on rider weight, terrain, and speed, but having up to 38 miles is more than enough for most daily needs. Top speed is also solid for a commuter ride, hitting around 19 miles per hour on the S2 Pro and a bit higher on the X300 depending on conditions. It's fast enough to keep up with urban traffic flow but still feels safe and manageable for riders of varying experience levels. Comfort and safety are well thought out too. The deck is stable and spacious, brakes feel reliable when you need to slow down quickly, and the overall design feels balanced. If you're new to electric scooters or just want something that doesn't feel intimidating, this hits a great sweet spot. Users online highlight how versatile this scooter feels, not just for commuting, but for city cruising, campus rides, or quick weekend trips. It's easy to fold and carry, connects to apps for speed and battery info, and gets you where you need to go without fuss. Now, let's talk value. With its strong motor, impressive range, comfortable ride, and thoughtful design, the Hiboy S2 Pro, X300 holds its own against other scooters in this class. If you want a reliable, daily commuter scooter that doesn't compromise on comfort or performance, this one brings features and capability that feel worth the investment. So, should you buy the Hiboy S2 Pro, X300 Electric Scooter? Based on specs, online reviews, and real-world performance, I'd say yes. Whether you're heading to work, running errands, or just exploring town, it's a practical, fun, and capable ride that makes everyday travel easier and more enjoyable. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next deep dive into electric mobility and tech that actually makes your day better.